Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Vandana Nithu. Today I am going to tell you about the 10 amazing facts. Let's begin without wasting the time. The fact number 1 about the nails. Fact number 1 is about the nails. Friends, everyone used to cut the nails during the holidays or any weekdays. You know why they can't cut the nails during the night? There is a myth that the nail can't cut in the night. Actually, you know what the fact? The fact is here. No electricity during the time of our ancestors, so one could hurt himself while cutting nails at night. That's the reason why they can't cut nails at the night. Fact number 2 about the babies. Everybody likes babies, everybody wants to play with babies. The amazing fact about the babies, here it goes. The fact is that the babies can only see white and black color for the first month of their birth because their retinal nerves are not fully developed yet. That's the reason why babies can see only the white and black colors. Wow, what an amazing fact, Okay, without delaying, we'll move on the third fact. The third fact. Everybody used to use nowadays smartphone. So everybody use smartphone. I will tell you a unique feature of the smartphone. On your smartphone, type *#07#. Then it will show the radiation level of your phone. If it is less than 1.6 watt per kg, then it is correct. If it is more than, you should change your phone immediately. So friends, start checking for your mobile radiation level. Okay? See what a fact. Now let's move on the fourth fact. Fact number 4. Everybody use that lemon and chili for buri nuts. You know why? Lemon and chilies are both rich in different nutrients which help your body in protecting from disease. This is the reason why lemon and chilies used to protect from bori nasar. Okay friends, you got the reason? You got the fact, no? Fact number 5. I will tell you one sentence. The sentence it goes like. The sentence like the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This uses the every letter in the English language. In this sentence, we can see the 26 letters in the alphabet. Fact number 6. Do you know? Did you know, friends, you cannot see your own eyes in motion when looking in a mirror. Since your eyes move, your brain automatically blocks the blood images, making you blind at those moments. Wow, what a fact, right? Fact number 7 about the Taj Mahal. Everybody likes to visit Taj Mahal. It's one of the wonders among them. About the Taj Mahal, the fact is right here. Did you know, friends, Taj Mahal changes the colors throughout the day because of its impressive white marble and the reflective tiles causes the structure to change from a pinkish in the morning to milky white in the afternoon and to the gold when illuminated by the moon's light. That's the reason why the Taj Mahal is considered such a unique structure in the world. Fact number 8 about the movies. That is the horror movie. Everybody likes horror movies, some does not. I will tell you about one fact about the horror movie. The fact is, watching a scary movie for 90 minutes burn up to 113 calories, which is same as of a 30 minutes walk. Our friends, those who are lazy to work out, then definitely try about this. Wow, how the facts are. Fact number 9 about the rats. In Rajasthan there is a temple for rats. Fact number 9. The Rajasthan has a temple of rats. The animal wonders of India continues here. Although rats might not be the first species you think of to worship, there is a temple in Rajasthan dedicated to rats. Thousands of rats call the temple home, making it one of the country's most unique attractions. Many pilgrims visit the temples every year on their own religious journey, so make sure to be respectful of local customs when visiting. Fact number 10.
In the first 6 weeks of life, there is no difference between the male and the female embryo.
Are the facts right? Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.